What's going on today? In this video, we're going to be changing the grille on the front. So we're taking off this grille and putting this one on. Alright, so we're going to go from this to this. Okay, so there's 4 clips here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to pop all 4 out. Then we're going to take off the front wheels on both sides. We're going to take out the front bumper off. And we'll go from there. So we're going to push the tabs in the middle in. And it's going to pry it right off. There you go. Same thing with the rest too. Okay, and we'll take the last one off. There you go. So all 4 are off. And we're going to pull this slightly forward. You can see like that. And boom, comes right off. And now we're gonna start disconnecting the rest. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna take off the wheels on both sides. They're 17 mils, so we're gonna dump this off. Okay, so when we got the tire off, there's now small little screws, which are all T25 Torx. There's these little clips here. You see one here, one here. They're literally sliding clips, as you can see. So they just you tab on them and you slide them off basically. Alright, so yeah, we gotta take off the clips right here mainly. So the top ones are already needed. So we gotta take off these 2 and those 3 T10s. And right there, there's 2 10 mils. 2 10 mils right there. Those ones right there. We're gonna take off those 2. And the bumper's off from this side, and then we're gonna do the right side and then the bottom. The 2 10 mils out, you can see. See, there's a 2 10 mils right there. And the left side, yeah, we got both of those out. Now we're going to take off the 2 T25 on the top, and then we're going to go to the bottom. Alright, so see there's 2 T25s right here. Take those 2 out, that's 1, and the second one on the side. Right there. We should have done this first, but I went to the other steps. There you go. Now we're going to take off the bottom plate. Alright, so we're taking off these 4, so there's 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the first cover, there's no need to take off the ones on the bumper because it slides out as one piece. So we take those 2 off, and then sorry, these 2 right here, 1 and 2, or just 1 each. Yeah, we take off the one side, but yeah, you take these 2 off, and it's 1 piece comes out. On each end are T20s, so we're gonna take both of these off right now. So it's 1 and 2, and same thing on the other side right here. There's 1. And 2, there, it's ready to come out. So we're gonna pull off the bumper now. Nice and easy. All these are the off. Right, there you go. That's right, we're gonna pull the whole module out. Yeah. Anything holding it in? Oh, what's it? Grab with the fog lights. Okay, got 1 off. So 1 fog's here, and then he has to just plug it out. Pulls off nice and easy. So you can see our bar's already been crushed. Or is that how it is? Not sure.
First took my off and dude, my plug like fuck. What happened?
Legit, that's what we're thinking right now. We thought this thing was fog.
So mine is exact.
Okay, that's good enough.
Same too.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Where'd you have these 2 clamps? That thing's broken. Oh, never mind. Bruh, this one's broken. Okay. Actually, I think we just pull it up. Oh, that's easier, yeah. Slides out underneath. Now these are probably the T20s running all the way around. T25, 1 or 2. Let's find out. What's that? Yeah, they're T20s. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 T20s. We're gonna take out all the T20s and our grill comes out.
What? I'm telling these guys.
It's clipped. So after we took off all that, it gets loose. You can see. Now I gotta take off all the clips. 6 clips on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 1 here, 1 here, one here, and then there's another 6 down here. So then same thing. So 2, and then the 1 and 2 right here.
All right.
So there's 3 on the side, 6 on top, and 6 at the bottom. We're having a bit of struggles. So these ones are a pain. The side ones aren't that bad, but the top ones are kind of a pain as well. Well, we got most of the top ones out. We gotta do the side. I did the right side. Let's try to do the left side now. So left side here, we did the right side, and then we just gotta pull out the bottom, and the grill comes out. Because the thing is that if you're running OEM, you're gonna have a little radar here or something, a little module that goes here.
So home link is
yeah. Okay, yeah, you're gonna have the home link. So you're gonna have to play around with the new grill and maybe zip tie it somewhere, because that's not going in the aftermarket. So this is the original. Now let me show you guys the aftermarket one. You can see it doesn't have that. It just sits like that. So you're gonna have to play around with this module right here. So probably gonna have to zip tie it somewhere, or just plug it somewhere else, I guess, because that's not going back in the grill no matter what. I don't let you play around with it, but yeah, we're gonna try getting the grill off right now. Just having a bit of fun time with it. Let's see how it goes. Alright, grill is out. There's 2 screws we gotta take out right here. On the other side.
freshly painted. I think it broke.
So we gotta take those grills out, but we gotta take those screws out. But now we're putting the new grill in. And once that clips in, we're gonna screw it in. That's it. That's how the new grill's gonna look. We run into a problem. We're trying to put this back on, but it's not fitting. So we're gonna end up cutting these tabs off and maybe make a hole for the sensors, because we can't. Yeah, we can't really get it in. See, it doesn't sit right. Plus, this grill was kind of damaged when we got it. We didn't see it. Some clips were broken right here. And yeah, these 2 screws don't go in, and same with that one. But the rest are in, so the grill's tight. Oh, but yeah, oh shit, it's kind of flimsy. But yeah, we're gonna try putting this in. We're gonna cut these tabs off and put it in. Yeah, we're literally just breaking these off, like they snap off. You gotta put it down. You can't put it down. My left hand's not the strongest like that. Okay, you guys are doing yours. See, if I use my right hand, not an issue. Struggling right now. There you go. There you go. See, I got those 2 ones off. You got that one. Oh, I'll take, you know. And they'll fit like that. Is it hitting the sensors, or should we just grind the sensor pieces down?
So it is hitting the sensors, so you can either drill holes through here.
Yeah.
To make room for those.
Yeah.
Or you can just break all those ends off if you don't have the caps.
You have the caps?
No.
So you send up.
Break all the ends off.
Yeah. Yeah, might as well do that then.
It's just cheap plastic, so.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we'll probably do that then. Doing this, I got my safety glasses on. Let's grind this thing down. Jeez, look at that. This is a bootleg way of doing it, but I don't feel like cutting it right now. There you go, look at that difference. See that? Now it fits nice and easy. Now we're gonna drill the holes though, because we gotta put the sensor caps in later. We're gonna do that. So we're gonna drill 2 holes right here and right there. Otherwise, it fits in nice and easy now. Look at that. All the way through. I think that's the wrong spot. So we drilled into the wrong spot. Bro, it's like right there, yeah. Oh shit. Alright, so we end up spray painting this. We actually ran into issues. This grill is not what we thought it was. So we put the bar on and then it was hitting the crash bar. So yeah, we had to take that off. But that's how the grill looks once installed. And now we're just spray painting this thing down. Last resort things. Alright, so we got everything done. So that's how it looks. Looks pretty nice. We painted the bar, glitter coat and everything. So yeah, now we're good. Now we're gonna put it on and we're good to go. So Got everything in. We're just gonna put the screws in, and that's the front. It looks so much better than before. Holy, that's such a big difference. Everything's in. So I screwed in here. Underneath, we gotta put the screws in, and we gotta put the home link sensor after. We had trouble fitting it in earlier. Like you can see right here. Look at that like difference. So we got the grill in. Everything's back together. Now you can see that. That looks pretty nice. You can tell how much better that looks. So this is the after. That looks amazing. So that's us installing the RS5 grill, or the honeycomb grill in the S5. And look, that looks so much better than the stock one. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and watch our future videos. We have more plans for this S5. Like I said, we're doing our next video. We're doing exhaust on my buddy's S5. It's a white S5. We're doing a catback exhaust. And on this one, we're gonna do the pulley mod and some other stuff as well. So stay tuned.